Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your avatar exercise in Berry Avenue. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how you make your character exercise from running, lifting weights to practicing yoga and more. And in here, what you need to do is just click on this arrow and tap on the actions menu here, and from here you can see there will be this exercise option. Tap on that and there will be lots of options that you can do, from stretching, yoga meditation, yoga seated twist, yoga tree, or let's try the sit up. So you can just choose which exercise move that you want your avatar to do. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.